In this lesson, I will show you how to find emails using Google and Snovio without using bulk lookup tool and with no cost. Now, this method does require more time to complete, as I mentioned, but if money is in short supply and you have the time to invest, then this will make a good option. Next, you want to download the Chrome browser extension. Click the button in this lesson to open this page and select Find Emails Online. Now you are ready to get email addresses from any website on the internet. Let's get started. Now that your Snove.io application and Chrome extension has been set up, you should see an S symbol. Click the button to open Google and let's begin digital prospecting. When prospecting using Google, you want to search by industry, such as electricians, painters, or hair salons. In this particular illustration, we will be prospecting for nonprofits. We will enter in nonprofits near me in the search bar. Then you want to select more places in the drop-down menu here. This will display the entire list of nonprofits in your area. Make sure before you get started that you are logged in to your Snove account. This is how you will be able to save your prospects to your list. I will select the first one on our list, Bethany Christian Services. Once on the website, I can now click the S symbol, and all of the email addresses associated with this website will be displayed in the drop-down menu. As you can see, there are 1,739 emails. Click the Save button. You want to continue down the list until you have at least 100 prospects from 10 different companies. Now that your list is completed, the next step is to go through your prospects and make sure to remove all of the generic contacts, such as treasurer, secretary, information, webmaster, and so on. You want name-only recipients on your list. Once this is done, you want to download this list to your computer. Without a paid subscription, you are unable to export your prospects. As you can see here, when we try to download, we get a message stating you will need to upgrade to perform this action. No worries, we have a workaround. It will require a few steps, but will allow you to get the emails with no cost. First, you want to drag and highlight all of your contacts. Once selected, right-click and copy. Then open your Notepad on your computer and copy your contacts to Notepad. Make sure your copied list is in this format where the first name, last name, and email are separated by space with each record on its own line. You will see why this is important shortly. Now you want to save your Notepad. We will call the file Contacts and save to our computer. That's it. Next, you want to open your Microsoft Excel and in the upper menu bar select Data, then Import from Text File button. A new window will open for you to select the Notepad Contacts file. Next, we will configure how we want the list to be displayed in Excel. It will default to delimited tab option, which is perfect. Click Next to continue. This is where we want to separate the data by space, so uncheck Tab and select Space. You can see how it separates the first name from the last name and email. Click Next and Finish. Lastly, it wants to know where to put the data and will default to A1 cell column, which is fine. You have successfully imported your data, and you did it for free. You can do this workaround and create multiple lists to run your campaigns. You may have to tweak and adjust to make sure your emails are aligned in the correct column, as well as first name and last name column. You always want to save your worksheet as CSV file or comma delimited format. Select your Microsoft drop-down menu, click Save As, and choose the file format as CSV. Put in the name of your list, and that's it. Congratulations, you have completed your first digital prospecting list. Now, regardless of how you decide to compile your list, either using the bulk option or alternative no-cost method, it is important to verify the emails on the list is good to send. This is a twofold approach. In order to protect your sender reputation and avoid getting blacklisted from internet service providers, your list have to be free of undeliverable emails. This is called bounce rates and can affect the way emails are delivered and causes compliance issues that can disable your MailChimp account. The second is greater deliverability. The chance of your email landing in your recipient's inbox as opposed to their spam folder depends on how clean a campaign you run. One of the tools we use to clean our list before sending is Proofy.io, which I will explain more on the next lesson.